let's learn how to create Binance Web3 wallet. I will show you this tutorial on phone because it's very easy to do on phone than on PC, but you can follow up with any other device. So without any delay, let us start by opening Binance application. From starting page, go to your profile by clicking on this icon in top left corner. Then it will load your account. Now from here, click on Web3 wallet icon. That's first in a row. And it will open you Web3 wallet page. If you don't have any, this tab will appear with two options, create wallet and import wallet. We are gonna create wallet now. This is creating now. Wait until finish loading. And when it's done, you will have to verify with your passkey. I have Face ID. And now wallet is created. Now you can back up it. You can go to settings, you can see your hash ID. You can click on plus to import more wallet if you have. If you want to back up your profile, you will have to do face verification. I will not do that now, so that's it. Thank you and see you in the next